At just over 6,800 pounds dry weight, 34 feet long, double over double bunks, can sleep 7 to 10 people, and packed with features you're not going to find in most entry-level campers. You're going to love the East to West Silver Lake 27 K2D. Hey, what's up? It's Chris Young, standing inside the 2021 East to West Silver Lake 27 K2D. Double over double bunks on the off-camp side. I'm a big fan of East to West, mainly because of how they manufacture their campers. They are a division of Forest River, so they like to reduce and reuse to really shrink that carbon footprint. It allows them not only to help the environment, but more importantly, really helps with the savings, so they're able to pass it along to you. But East to West said, you know what, Sally bar the doors. We're gonna go all out and pack stuff in an entry-level camper that you're not gonna find anywhere else. If you want price and availability of these beauties, just click the link in the description down below. Gonna start right up here on the off-camp side with the double over double bunks, plush 3-inch mattress, 300-pound capacity on both of these. Plus, you got USB charging ports that are dual on both the top and the bottom. Windows right there. Solid mounted ladder leading up to the top bunk, and your own privacy curtain. This, I will admit though, when you're getting up on the first rung, it is a little difficult, so you got to watch out for that, especially if you have the little ones. Right across from the bunks, you got a solid panel door coming into the master bathroom with porcelain bowl with foot flush, its own access point, which I'm a big fan of, because if you do have family members or kids that are going to go camping with you, having an access point away from the master is good to have, because they might want to come and go later, vice versa. You might want to come and go later. Plus, if you're out and you get dirty, you can come into the bathroom to get cleaned up without tracking all that stuff through the living area. Large single basin sink with the brushed nickel fixture right on top. Got myself some storage underneath. Mirrored medicine cabinet right here with the raised lips, a little extra security, corner mounted, maximizing the space. 81-inch high ceilings inside this camper too. So what does that mean? Well, that means when I walk into the single surround shower with the faux brick decor, I'm gonna have plenty of headroom, even without the skylight. I mean, this skylight with that inlay really brightens this thing up. You don't even need the lights during the day. Got the faux fabric style door on the suspension for your curtain. I like that because it's easy to clean, plus it retracts, maximizes the entry space while minimizing the storage space. Good job on that one. Slip resistant, easy to clean Shaw style flooring all the way throughout this camper. 35,000 BTU furnace, 15,000 BTU AC. Those numbers are big because when you're talking about the insulation that they have here, this R7 insulation, you don't get that in entry level. Usually that's an upgraded feature. So having 15K BTU on the AC and 35K BTU on the furnace is really nice. Plus you'll notice that the furnace is ducted inside the paneling. It's not in the floor. So you won't get those soft spots when you're walking around, or you want to do a little whatever that is. You got an 8 cubic foot paneled fridge freezer combo that runs on both gas and electric right there. Plenty of room and space for those long weekend getaways. You got the seamless countertops leading into a undermounted stainless steel farmhouse style sink with the sprayer nozzle. Another feature that you're not going to find in a lot of entry level campers. Now I say entry level because the price of the East to West Silver Lakes, you're going to say, what? Just follow me down that rabbit hole, talk to your specialist at Campering or at Gander about everything that's in there, where you're going to take it, how many people are going to sleep, and what are you towing it with. Solid wood construction, full extension ball bearing drives on the drawers. Got the oven right there. Now you do not have the LED backlit, but I mean, you got plenty of lights in here, so you're not really going to miss it. Grill style grate over my 3-burner cooktop, flush mounted Magic Chef microwave above my hood. Solid wood cabinetry, shaker style cabinets, once again with the brushed nickel fixtures going all the way around. Got myself a little trash can storage right there for you, Bobby. And when you get done making that delicious camp cooked meal and you say, honey, bring the children around for supper, You got plenty of space in this 48-inch dinette. Look at the room that we have here. Now this reduces down into a sleeper, can easily fit 2 adults on here. But this is your reconnection space. 81-inch high ceilings, large height here on the slides. Some of the biggest windows you're going to get in class, plus solid wood valances going all the way around, USB charging ports. You get a cross breeze going from that big window over there on the campsite kitchen. You get the light in, and the kids are having fun. You're talking, maybe you're playing card games or board games, eating a meal, whatever it might be, but you're reconnecting with loved ones. And then you look out and you see the mountains, the beach, the lake, the valley, grandma's backyard, wherever you're going to put your RV. That is what it's about. Reconnecting with those loved ones, disconnecting and getting away from everything, and saying, kids, put the board games under the ball bearing drive, full extension, solid wood drawers underneath the dinette. Nice feature to have, because you don't have like the lifting up the seats and lifting up the panels. You got a solid drawer to do that there. I got myself a little jackknife sofa right here. Oh, hey girl. Okay, now this is plush. I'm a fan of East to West anyway, but this year they upgraded the, I guess, cushioning of these jackknife sofas. This thing feels like a warm hug from a hefty grandma, and I like it. Cut the lights out, open the windows, get that breeze. That's going to be a good night's sleep. Come over here to the extended size entertainment center. As you can see, you get plenty of room for the TV backer. Got your connections, multiple power sources. Plus, I got storage options up top if I need it. Component shelf storage down here, as well as more, as I like to call it, mudroom storage there. Got my AM/FM command center here with Bluetooth, dual zone, and USB. It's Furrion, so that means you can control it from your cell phone. Separation of space with me is huge, especially with bunkhouses, because you got entertainment space, you got the bunk rooms, but then when you want to go to the master, you want your sanctuary. And every East to West Silver Lake is going to have a king size bed in it. But look at the wall, look at the door. Separation of space. It's not just like a curtain or like 2 little pocket doors. You got a solid door leading you into your master bedroom sanctuary. King size bed. Got strut supported storage underneath, which is very nice because if you need to load stuff in, you're not holding up a heavy king size bed to put it in there. I got ward storage on both sides. Plus I got some slide out drawers right here. Power and USB on both sides. Side opening storage up here on my shelf. And even on the back corners, you have some little cubby storage back there. It's actually roomier than you think. So if you need to shove, you know, maybe some hideaway stuff, cell phones, whatever, you got cubby hole storage on both sides. Solid wood balances on the windows on both the camp and the off-camp side. Got my skylight right there, my mushroom lights, TV backer, cable hookup, and power. Options, options, options. Amenities, amenities, amenities. Tip of the hat once again to East to West, because you're only going to find these at Gander and Camping World. What they did with these, the quality in the construction, the thought process, has really impressed me year to year. Big fan of the East to West. This is the 27K2D, so what do you say we go outside and see what's out there? Okay, so here we are on the outside, the 2021 East to West Silver Lake 27K2D. Got that seamless Superflex roof going all the way over the top, diamond plated rock guard. You got the aluminum I-beam construction here on the frame. That really gives you some additional support and makes it strong. Twin 20-pound LP tanks up front, powered tongue jack with LED light. Come around to the campsite. If you do have the solar panels, there's your 10 amp quick connect right there. Finished off storage. And as you can see, plenty of room here for anything that you need, whether it be beach towels, beach chairs, hunting gear, fishing gear, whatever you want. Plastic clip on the anti-slam latches here. Stabilizer jacks. And that is a heated and enclosed underbelly. And for an entry-level camper, that's a great hat. Large awning here with the LED light strip underneath. Sealed safety glass that's tinted all the way around. Solid steps leading into the entry here with the extra large grab handle. You need some additional storage space. There you go. Plus, that's your pipe access. but good spot for grab and go storage if you need it. Let's say you got the water bag, Kabu bags, the mountain hiking stuff, or you come back and you got dirty stuff you don't want to take into the camper, bam, put it right there. Want to do the outside entertainment? You got your cable connection here and power options right there. The Furrion external speakers under the awning, giving you good space to just sit, hang out, and enjoy each other's company. Double axle travel trailer too, with the nitro filled tires right there. Dexter Easy Lube axles, giving you a good ride going down the road. Got the door grab for my second access point right here. Now, the great thing about a double access point too is when you're going down the road, you have entry to a bathroom if you want to pull over. Not only that, you can access the refrigerator as well. So very nice to have, especially if you travel a lot. Want to take your grill with you? LP Quick Connect is right there behind the rear stabilizer jack. 4x4 sewer hose storage, spare tire mounted on the back. Arched ceilings. Once again, we had those 81-inch high ceilings on the inside, and that arch with those 3-inch nozzles are going to make sure the rain, the snow doesn't stay up there, and the nozzle is going to make sure it doesn't fall on you or the slide. Set up for backup camera as well. Black tank flush right here. Additional storage space, which is under our bunks right there. My main terminations are underneath this. You got your gray tank, your black tank, your sewer outlet connection. My 50 amp service plug right here. Got the slide that houses our reconnection point, that large dinette, that plush comfy sofa. My freshwater drains right here. City water connection right above it. The other side of the pass-through storage with the plastic holder clip is right here, as well as my city water connection, cable, power, and sprayer, which can be used as external shower if you want to. But the most important part of any camper is going to be this info panel right here. Gross vehicle weight on this one, 9,500 pounds, roughly 6,800 pounds dry. But at 34 feet long, can sleep 7 to 10 comfortably with all those amenities, not to mention a king-size bed in the master. I gotta tell you, for bang for your buck, you're not gonna beat the East to West Silver Lakes. They are great. They make them well, they're stacked with features, and hopefully it's one that you'll see and say, you know what? I do want to check out. This is what my vehicle can tow, this is where I want to go camping, and this is how many people I want to sleep. Those are the most important factors when you're talking to your specialist at Camping World or Gander about what you want in your RV. Let them guide you down that path and see if this 27K2D is right for you. But leave me some comments down below. Let me know, what'd you like about it? What'd you not like about it? Because we love getting your comments. And while you're at it, please click like, subscribe, and notify, so that way when a new video comes out, you're the first one to get it. I'm Chris Young for Camping World and Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. If you want more information about this one, including the price, click on the little link in the description. It'll take you right to it. Thank you for joining me. Hope to hear you soon. Until then, come check out a camper, because they're fun. I'll see you.